na ako ah. Hi babe, sorry I'm late. Oh babe, what's wrong? Palagi na lang bang ganito? Nakakainis na ah. Ang sakit-sakit. Ano ba karating ko lang? Ewan ko sa... Teka lang! Magpapaliwanag muna ako. Hindi naman ako masyadong late ah. Ano ba? Masakit yung pusod ko. Yun ang pali. Ito oh.
When we drink, we do it right. Getting slizzard, sipping scissor. Am I right? Am I right? Like 3-6. Now I'm feeling so fly, like a G6, like a G6, like a G6. Now I'm feeling so fly, like a G6, like a G6, like a G6. Now I'm feeling.
Mefenamic is an aspirin-like drug that has analgesic, antipyretic, and anti-inflammatory action. It is used to relieve pain and dysmenorrhea and contraindicated to pregnancy and hypersensitivity. Side effects are gastric pain, diarrhea, drowsiness, and dizziness.
Points to remember when taking mefenamic acid. Give with milk or food to decrease GI upset. Take drug with food and take only the prescribed dosage. Do not take drug longer than 1 week. Discontinue drug and consult your healthcare provider if rash, diarrhea, and digestive problems.
Thank you babe ah.
Ito kaya matatanggap mo?
Ano yan? May benamit na naman?
Hindi ah. Totoo na to.